Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to delete your story from Telegram. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Telegram app, then tap on the story you want to delete. Then over here, you can see three dot icon. Tap on it. Before deleting your story, what you can do is you can also edit your story. You have the option of edit your story. You can see your story options as well. Remove from profile as well. You have the option hide my view. You have many other options. If you are willing to do so instead of deleting, then you can use all those features as well. Then if you don't want to use any other features, then tap on the delete option with red. Tap on it, then they'll again ask you if you want to delete it. Tap on delete. Like this, you can see your story has been deleted. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.